Kobe.
Kobe, first swim. Take one.
Take one.
Kobe swim to that.
Oh man.
Oh no.
Oh man.
He's already trying to move. He's trying to swim.
Boy.
Keep going.
Wait,
Kobe.
come towards the camera.
Huh?
Keep going.
Dude,
Kobe.
just let him go. I think he can do it.
Yeah, he's swimming. He's swimming. He's swimming.
Are you gonna let him go?
Yeah, let him.
Yeah, you like go.
Oh, there he
ahead.
goes. There he goes.
Kobe's swimming. Hey, Kobe, here. Kobe.
Come here.
Have him swim to the stairs and then he'll get out.
He's really scared.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. I bet Josie will like it.
Kobe.
Good
Kobe.
boy.
Kobe.
Good boy.
Good boy, Kobe.
Good boy.
Does he want a towel?
hold him.
I have a towel.
Yeah, we have a towel.
Hey, Kobe, here. Kobe. 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 Let go. Let go.
He's gonna freak out.
He's pushing so hard. very
Yeah.
hard. Kobe.
Let him swim.
He's gonna go to the wall.
He always goes to the wall.
Just want to get out here.
This is gonna tire him out real good.
Go this way. Go this way.
Huh?
Go to the left.
Let me get this thing out
Yeah.
of the way.
Have him swim over here. It's like your kid, Ben.
Okay. He said, "Oh, let me out, let me out."
This is too funny. Let
Okay,
him go. Let him go.
Kobe, go. Go, 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 go.
Hi, Kobe. Hi, Kobe. It's okay. Look, he's still paddling. He's still paddling. That's too funny. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Oh my god.
Get out of it.
Oh my god.
You gotta get out.
Still pedaling.
Ben, you have to show my mom though. We have to do it again. We have to do it again. Look, he's still doing it.
Get him the